you'll see them. Did you know we have a new kid today? Everybody shout out, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Yeah, my light doesn't light up, but you'll see a new tank engine. So, have a good day. Join the video. Thomas and the new kid. The new train. Oh my God. So many times I see steam puffing. Oh my God. Every time when I see a steam coming, I really imagine I see a new boy with a steam thing. Now, let me cross. I am so crushed. Yeah, so I'm so crushed. Whoever is making that steam, hold on, let me get something that I have. I'm trying to find it. Hold on. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. I don't see anything, so sorry it took so long. Oh, that's my background. Sorry. Because sometimes I see a name. Now goodbye, I'll see you tomorrow. A new steam engine. What is that puffing and chuffing? Making lights up, making real steam, buffing their boiler, making lights up, boil his nose. I can't light mine up. I wish I had real steam. At least I have a funnel. But he has a small funnel and he has a small light. And I have a big light and I have a big light. And I have a whistle. And he has a whistle. And he has the same number 1. And I have a number 1. He has the same wheel, but not the same. And I have the same wheel. He has red lines. And I have red lines. Who can that be? Could it be Percy? No, he doesn't have that kind of steam. Could it be James? No, my friends are already here. I know them. Could it be Philip? No. Philip doesn't have steam. He's just a diesel. Maybe it's probably back control? No! He's a person, not a train. He doesn't make steam. Okay. I'll tell you this on the next video. So goodbye. Bum, 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 bum.